Hey everyone! If you're looking to elevate your cooking game and bring professional level performance right to your kitchen, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to take a close look at 3 of the hottest gas ranges for 2025: the LG LSGL6335D, the Samsung NX60A6511SG, and the Cafe CGS750P4MW2. Whether you're cooking for a big family or entertaining guests, these ranges offer a unique mix of power, style, and innovation. So, which one should you choose? Let's dive into the details and find out. Choosing the right range for your kitchen isn't just about picking the most stylish option. It's about getting a perfect blend of performance, convenience, and smart features to make cooking easier and more enjoyable. The LG LSGL6335D, Samsung NX60A6511SG, and Cafe CGS750P4MW2 all offer unique features, from advanced cooking technologies to modern smart capabilities. But which one will best suit your cooking needs and your home? Let's break it down and compare their top features so you can make an informed decision. First up, let's talk about the LG LSGL6335D. This 6.3 cubic feet gas range offers an exceptional cooking experience with its impressive range of features. The ProBake convection technology ensures even heat distribution for perfectly cooked dishes every time. The air fry feature is a game changer for those looking to get that crispy, golden texture without the need for oil, a healthier way to cook your favorite dishes like fries and chicken wings. When it comes to connectivity, this range is smart in more ways than one. With LG ThinQ technology, you can control your oven remotely using your smartphone. Whether you're preheating the oven or checking the status of your meal, you can do it all from the convenience of your phone, giving you more control over your kitchen from anywhere in the house. The range also features a self-clean system and easy-cleaned technology, making maintenance a breeze. The dual power burner offers up to 20 BTU for fast and high heat cooking, while the oven's convection fan makes baking and roasting a seamless experience. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can also enjoy remote monitoring and control, making it a perfect fit for today's connected home. Next, we have the Samsung NX60A6511SG, a fantastic 5.8 cubic feet range that's perfect for those who want both advanced features and style in their kitchen. The No-Preheat Air Fry feature allows you to cook crispy, delicious meals faster and more efficiently. Thanks to the 18 BTU burners, you get excellent power for high-temperature cooking, making it easy to sear, boil, and simmer with precision. What sets this Samsung model apart is its smart technology integration. With Samsung SmartThings app, you can monitor and control the range remotely, set timers, or even preheat the oven from anywhere using your smartphone. This range also offers Bluetooth connectivity, so you can link it up with compatible kitchen appliances to streamline your cooking experience. The oven itself is equipped with true convection technology, ensuring an even temperature throughout, and dual convection provides faster cooking times by improving airflow. The range's sleek black stainless steel finish gives it a modern, stylish look that complements any kitchen decor. And with its air fry technology, it's perfect for anyone looking to cook healthier meals with ease. Lastly, let's take a look at the premium Cafe CGS750P4MW2 range. With its 5.6 cubic feet capacity, this range combines luxury with professional-grade performance. The high-powered 20 BTU burners give you the flexibility to quickly heat up large pots of pasta or simmer delicate sauces. The true European convection oven ensures even heat distribution, perfect for baking and roasting, giving you professional results at home. One standout feature of the Cafe CGS750P4MW2 is its ability to integrate into your smart home system. With Wi-Fi connectivity and Bluetooth support, you can control the range from your phone or smart assistant, making it easy to adjust cooking settings or get alerts when your food is ready. The sleek, customizable finish lets you match the range to your kitchen style, and it even has options for unique color finishes. In addition to its powerful cooking performance, the Wi-Fi Connect technology makes it easy to manage your cooking from your phone, whether you're preheating, adjusting the timer, or monitoring your dish while you're away. If you're looking for a range that combines style, performance, and smart features, the Cafe CGS750P4MW2 is a top contender.